So if I come back to this one, like previously we got some error, so I resolved. Let me try to show you. So let's come to MRP. As I said that, if it is PD, I saved the PD, and it is immediately asking MRP controller lot size week 2 assigned. For week 2, how much quantity it need to be delivered, that need to be manufactured and do. Okay. 2 week means every 2 weeks lot size will be delivered. Okay, so 2 weeks they will take the time to manufacture. If we try to apply the same example, out of 20,000, 1,000 is manufactured. Assume that remaining 19,000 they will take 2 more weeks to manufacture to receive the lot actually. Okay, so apart from that, in MRP3 if you go, there is something called strategic group. Okay, we have two kind of stocks will be there: make to stock and make to order stock. Make to stock means which is available readily in inventory. Make to order means based on the customer specification we are going to manufacture for that particular customer only. Okay, leave about this one. Now we are going to determine schedule and category, right? Previously it was there. What is that? In MRP1 ND was there. Now what we are going to see? PD, material requirement planning. So if you go back to the your definition, so as per PD it should be determined CP. Okay, so let's go back to the sales order now. Let's save this. Now it should come CP. If CP don't come, then there should be some issue with our schedule and category determination, or else our configuration. Let's go to this one, PC. Okay, let's click this. Come to the schedule lines, third part. See, now CP is coming. So apart from this, is by default it is coming. This is called how we have default item category. Apart from that, you have other item categories in the similar way, default schedule and category, and you can able to assign other also. Let's go back and try to check. So for PDCP is there. Let me try to assign CS. Okay, let me try to assign CB. So like how many maximum you can assign? Manual, schedule and categories you can able to assign, like three you can able to assign. So that means you can able to change it manually. This is a default one. First one, schedule and category. This is manual means, so like you can able to change manually while processing the sales order. So if I click F4, I can able to see CS, CB, CN and all these things. So what is the basic difference between this schedule and category? How we are going to like how we are going to see the definition of this schedule and categories, like how we have seen attributes of your item category. In the similar way, how we can able to see the attributes of schedule and category, what exactly the definition of this schedule and category, that we're going to see tomorrow's session. Now you have seen, right, this one. For example, if you come back to the define schedule and category, so if you go to CP, so that means it is going for material requirement planning. What are all these settings? That definition we're going to see tomorrow. So that's all for today. So if you go back to the material master, okay, so as I said that, what you can remember, your MRP type plus your item category, which is going to fetch your schedule and category. Even if MRP type blank is there, then if you assign a schedule and category, that will fetch by your SAP system. If you go to MRP1 tab, if it is PD, you have to tell that which MRP control you are going to assign this work. So you have to tell the lot size. So if you are going to tell the lot size, previously it is not accepted because there is one configuration called quantity or value updation, that I am going to explain at the time of stock posting actually. So this MRP PD means it will fetch the PD. For CP is the schedule and category. If I choose ND, it will pick like that. If I choose anything P1, P2, P3, based on that, whichever the schedule and category is there, that it is going to fetch actually. That's all for today. We are going to see the remaining sections of the class and the attributes of schedule and category in tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a great time.